Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, It's Facts. Today in this video I'll tell you about top 10 most expensive robberies in history. Please watch the entire video and smash that subscribe button. Some robberies are so big that they made history. More than massive amount of money, they impressed investigators and people in general for being well planned and audacious. For some thieves, it seems that it's not just about the money but the challenge of breaking into places that people believe are impenetrable. The complexity and planning of these robberies seems like a plot from Hollywood movie. Keep scrolling and find out the most expensive robberies ever planned. Number 1. Saddam Hussein $1 billion. This is by far the biggest bank heist in history and also the easiest one. All Saddam Hussein had to do was write a letter and send his son, Qusay Hussein, to the Central Bank of Iraq. The document demanded $1 million in cash. Qusay was not armed, but who would deny a request from Saddam? This heist happened less than 24 hours before the America bombed Iraq. To transport the money, it was necessary three tractor trailers. The US Army found $650 million hidden there. However, $350 million were never found. Number 2. Boston Museum heist. $500 million. In 1990, two police officers arrived at Boston Museum and told the guard there was an emergency call. They requested to check the area just to make everything sure was okay, and the guard allowed them to enter. However, he was then caught off guard and cuffed by the robbers. They took 13 valuable paintings from there. The total value of the stolen pieces was $500 million. Number 3. Russian hackers $100 million. Evgeny Mikhailovich Bogatyuk is better known as Slavik. The Russian hacker is responsible for creating Game Over Zeus and CryptoLocker, two of the most dangerous software ever made. Slavik controlled 1 million infected computers in several countries. He used the device to break into US banks' system and steal money. In 2 years, he made $100 million. Slavik still lives in Russia, where he has a mansion. Number 4. Bank of England Treasury $300 million. On May 1990, John Goddard, a 58-year-old messenger, left the Bank of England Treasury carrying millions in bonds. Investigators believe that a man called Patrick Thomas approached him and ran away with over $300 million in treasury bills and certificates of deposit. Any person who had the document could withdraw the money. Patrick Thomas was found dead a few months later and he was never charged for the crime. Number 5. Dar es Salaam Bank $298 million. Back in 2007, 3 security guards entered the Dar es Salaam Bank in Iraq and took $298 million with them. When the staff arrived to work in the next day, they found the door open and all the money was gone. The security guard, who usually stay all night, were also gone. The investigators never got the thieves and they did not had any details about the investigation. There are high chances they are not living abroad under new identities. Number 6. Antwerp Diamond Center $100 million. In February 2003, a group of Italians entered the Antwerp Diamond Center in Belgium and robbed over $100 million in diamonds. It has some similarities to what happened in the Brazilian Central Bank. The group worked during the weekend and cleaned 109 safe boxes. People were made aware of what happened on following Monday. Number 7. Brazen Harry Winston Jewel $90 million. In December 2008, a group of 8 men entered the Harry Winstons in Paris. They were all disguised as women, wearing dresses, heels, and wigs. When they announced the robbery, beside the guns, they also had a hand grenade. They left the building with $90 million in jewels and watches. Number 8. Crown Jewels Robbery. Priceless. Thomas Blood made history in 1671 when he created an ingenious plan to steal the crown jewels in England. He was already a prominent thief and there was a high price for his head. However, he was also a master of disguise. He entered the Tower of London dressed as an Anglican clergyman's cassock and hired an actress who pretended to be his wife. He came there and became friends with people in the tower and made several visits to the place. Number 9. Diamond Robbery in Amsterdam. $80 million. Schiphol Airport is one of the safest in the world. It demands lots of courage and intelligence to perform a robbery there. Back in 2005, a group of daring robbers proved the world they had both. They entered the airport dressed like KLM airline crew. They were armed and robbed $80 million on diamonds that were going to Belgium. Number 10. Banco Central Burglary. $70 million. In May 2005, a group opened a grass company in Fortaleza, Brazil. However, it was just a cover for the greatest robbery the country has seen. During a 3-month period, the group dug a tunnel into the Banco Central and managed to steal 3.5 tons of notes without being noticed. The group robbed approximately $70 million during the weekend. The bank staff noticed the Monday was gone on all the money was gone on the following Monday. The police never found the money and the robbery became a Brazilian movie a few years later. In 2018, the police arrested one of the criminals, but the rest of the group is still unknown and might still be enjoying the money. That's all. Thanks for watching the video.